when we enter like this in the Windows, we are getting the error like the term PHP is not recognized as the name of CMD LED. So, what will be the solution for that? It's a very small trick to resolve this issue. Let me show you how can we resolve this. You just need to go to your PC and properties, and here just a minute. We have advanced system settings and environment variables. So here we just need to choose path, only path, and edit it. So here we have added all the paths. So now go to your PHP, like if you have wamp or xampp, anything, and in bin PHP, like it is a default version PHP 8.1. So let me try with this. So here we just need to copy this path, and in the environment variable you just need to add this path. Okay. In the same way, you could also have the issue of MySQL. So let me also copy the MySQL path. So we just not wanted to do it again. Let me MySQL 8.2.0 and bin. So just copy this path again, enter it here. Okay, okay, and okay. So now done. Let's just exit from this terminal. Okay, you just need to restart your terminal to affect the changes. So let me exit this. Again, open the terminal, and here you go. Now, when you enter PHP version, it will show the version that you selected in the path. In the same way, in MySQL, you will get the version of MySQL as well, 8.2. So that's it, guys. That's it.